And they're off. A sharp start from La Verdad. And she's quickly in front. Very sharp for the gate, La Verdad. Out there for that lead. Munning Sisters come out running in second. Kauai Katie up there in between horses. Then on the far outside, Bridgehampton with the pacemakers. And it's 2 lengths back to Lion DNA, who's now fifth. My Pal Chrissy and Miss Doro's at the back of the pack. La Verdad, the leader, as they race for the far turn. Well out into the track. Maybe the 5 path there for Bridgehampton. A sizzling first quarter. 22 1/5 seconds. And it's Bridgehampton and La Verdad, and they are going at each other in a fierce way here with 3 furlongs to go. Munning Sister runs in third. Down toward the inside, it's Lion DNA now fourth. Kauai Katie not today dropping back. Miss Darrell comes on through. My Pal Chrissy is last at the top of the stretch. And now the field turns for home, and it is La Verdad. La Verdad is shaking loose here and opens up a 5-length lead. Munning Sister and Kauai Katie on the outside. My Pal Chrissy moving belatedly. They're coming down to the finish, and it is La Verdad. Oh, she is very good. And that's the truth. Kauai Katie did get second. My Pal Chrissy was third, and Munning Sister a sparkling 6 furlongs and 9 flat.